They say ribeye is the king of steaks, but what if I told you there are other cuts that taste just as good, if not better, and don't drain your wallet? That's right, you don't have to break the bank to enjoy a satisfying carnivore diet. With beef prices soaring 8 to 10% over the past year, finding affordable yet delicious cuts has never been more important. The 7 meats we're about to explore not only offer incredible taste, but also come in under $10 a pound. If you've been holding off on starting the carnivore diet, or have been stressing about its expense, these cuts will change the game. Chucky Steak is often considered the butcher's best-kept secret, and for good reason. This cut offers a ribeye-like experience, packed with that juicy, marbled flavor we all crave, but without the ribeye price tag. Priced between $6.99 and $8.99, Chucky Steak is a fantastic option for those who want premium taste without the premium cost. For anyone on the carnivore diet, this steak is a welcome surprise that brings ribeye-level satisfaction within budget. What makes Chucky Steak so special is its rich fat content and tender texture. This cut comes from the same area as ribeye, but is just a little further down the rib section, so it shares many of the qualities that make ribeye popular. Grilling or pan-searing Chucky Steak allows that fat to melt perfectly, creating a meal that's both flavorful and satisfying. Plus, it's a versatile cut that holds up well with simple seasonings, allowing its natural taste to shine. For those looking to maximize flavor on a budget, Chucky Steak is a smart choice. Imagine making a steak night special without overspending. This cut makes it possible. Paired with a few budget-friendly sides, Chucky Steak lets you enjoy a restaurant-quality meal at home. And for those who thought that good steak was out of reach on a budget, this cut proves otherwise. Hungry for more? Sink your teeth into the carnivore life. Subscribe to Meet Me Here for all the juicy insights. Top round steak is another fantastic option for anyone on the carnivore diet who wants an affordable yet satisfying meal. Known for its lean profile, this cut comes from the cow's leg area and is ideal for grilling or slow cooking. At under $10 a pound, top round steak provides a budget-friendly way to enjoy the carnivore lifestyle without cutting corners on quality. With the right preparation, it can be just as enjoyable as pricier cuts. Though top round steak is leaner than some other options, it can still deliver a flavorful and tender result when cooked with care. Slow cooking this cut is a great method, as it allows the meat to break down and develop a deep, rich flavor. Grilling can also bring out its natural taste, especially when seasoned with a bit of salt and pepper or marinated beforehand. It's a cut that requires some patience, but the payoff is worth it. For anyone looking to add variety to their diet without overspending, top round steak is a solid choice. Imagine having a steak dinner that's both affordable and filling. This cut makes it possible. Paired with a side of beef fat trimmings for added fat content, top round steak can be part of a well-rounded carnivore meal that's both nourishing and cost-effective. Short ribs bring a rich, hearty flavor that's perfect for a variety of cooking methods, making them a favorite among those who love slow-cooked, melt-in-your-mouth meals. Whether you're braising, grilling, or baking, short ribs provide a satisfying experience that's both affordable and deeply flavorful. Often available on sale, these ribs offer a way to enjoy the carnivore diet without overspending, all while indulging in a cut that feels premium. The beauty of short ribs lies in their versatility. Braising is a go-to method, allowing the meat to become tender and absorb the flavors of any broth, herbs, or spices you add. For a twist, try slow cooking short ribs with a splash of beef broth and a hint of garlic. After a few hours, you'll have a dish that's practically restaurant quality. Even a simple bake in the oven at low heat can turn this cut into a comforting home-cooked meal. What's more, short ribs provide an excellent balance of fat and protein, making them a great addition to a budget-friendly carnivore meal plan. Pairing them with beef fat trimmings or even some ground beef can make for a nutrient-dense, satisfying dish that doesn't break the bank. Short ribs are an easy way to bring variety to your diet while keeping it budget-conscious and delicious. Ground beef is a staple in the carnivore diet, providing an affordable, versatile, and nutrient-packed option for any meal. With various fat ratios like 80/20ths, 90/10ths, and even 70/30ths, ground beef allows for a highly customizable experience based on personal preference and dietary needs. For those who prefer a bit more fat, the 70/30ths ratio offers a richer flavor and a more satisfying meal, while leaner options can cater to those looking for a higher protein intake. Best of all, ground beef is widely available and budget-friendly. The versatility of ground beef is hard to beat. It can be used in endless ways, from simple burgers to meatballs, casseroles, or even stuffed peppers if you want to get a bit creative. For an easy carnivore dish, try pan-frying ground beef with a little salt and pepper. Add some beef fat trimmings for extra richness and a nutrient boost. This cut can make mealtime simple without sacrificing flavor, and it's accessible for any budget. Ground beef is a practical choice for those looking to stay committed to a carnivore lifestyle while keeping costs in check. Not only does it pack essential nutrients, but it's also incredibly filling and satisfying. For meal prepping, ground beef is ideal since it can be cooked in bulk and stored for quick and easy meals throughout the week. With its affordability and adaptability, ground beef is a cornerstone for any budget-conscious carnivore. Pork shank is a hidden gem for those following the carnivore diet on a budget. This cut, sourced from the pig's hind leg, is not only affordable at around $5 per pound, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. Known for its rich collagen content, pork shank offers a unique texture and taste that sets it apart from other meats. For anyone looking to add variety to their carnivore meals, this cut is a fantastic way to go without stretching the budget. One of the best parts about pork shank is its versatility in the kitchen. It's ideal for slow cooking, as the collagen breaks down and creates a tender, almost buttery texture. Try braising it with a bit of broth and garlic for a meal that's hearty and comforting. For a different twist, you can roast it low and slow in the oven to get that fall-off-the-bone tenderness. With its deep flavor, pork shank can make any meal feel special without the high cost. Pork shank is an excellent choice for anyone looking to diversify their diet while keeping it affordable. Paired with beef fat trimmings, this cut offers a balanced mix of protein and fat that can keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's a fantastic addition to the carnivore lifestyle, proving that great flavor and texture don't have to come with a hefty price tag. Chicken wings may be a surprising addition to the carnivore diet, but they're an excellent budget-friendly choice. With a perfect balance of meat and skin, wings offer a satisfying mix of protein and fat that fits right into a carnivore lifestyle. Often available for under $10 per pound, chicken wings are easy to find and prepare, making them an accessible option for anyone looking to keep costs down while staying true to the diet. One of the best things about chicken wings is how easy they are to cook. A simple oven bake or air fry can turn them into a delicious crispy treat without the need for added oils. For those who enjoy a bit of extra flavor, try seasoning them with salt, pepper, and a dash of paprika before cooking. Pairing wings with a small portion of beef fat trimmings can enhance their flavor and add an extra boost of essential fats, making each meal as nutritious as it is delicious. For those on a carnivore budget, chicken wings provide a flexible and enjoyable option. They're perfect for meal prepping or quick snacks, and their portability makes them convenient for busy days. While some might think of wings as a treat food, they're actually a practical, cost-effective addition to a well-rounded carnivore diet. Their affordability and ease of preparation make them a win-win for any budget-conscious carnivore. Beef fat trimmings are a budget carnivore's best friend, often priced at an incredibly low 9 cents per pound. These trimmings provide essential fats that are not only crucial for energy, but also enhance the flavor of meals. Adding beef fat trimmings to your diet can turn any lean cut into a more balanced meal, making it easier to stay satisfied and nourished. For anyone on the carnivore diet looking to maximize nutrition without spending much, these trimmings are an unbeatable option. Cooking with beef fat trimmings is straightforward and rewarding. They can be rendered down into tallow, which is perfect for cooking other meats, or even adding to soups and broths for extra richness. For a simple yet satisfying meal, try mixing rendered beef fat with ground beef, creating a deliciously rich burger that's packed with nutrients. Beef fat trimmings offer versatility and flavor, proving that essential fats can be added to meals without extra cost. What makes beef fat trimmings truly special is their ability to complement nearly any carnivore dish, from Chucky steaks to pork shank. For those who find themselves hungry after a meal, adding a bit of beef fat can help maintain fullness for longer. It's an easy, affordable way to ensure that meals are not only satisfying, but also aligned with the high-fat requirements of the carnivore diet. With beef fat trimmings, you're getting an essential nutrient source that supports both budget and health. So, there you have it. 7 budget-friendly cuts that can make all the difference in sticking to the carnivore diet without emptying your wallet. The question is, are you ready to put this knowledge into action? Imagine enjoying meals that are both satisfying and affordable, proving that the carnivore lifestyle can be accessible to anyone. Which of these cuts will you try first? Or maybe you're already using one and just found a new favorite. Want to know which 10 foods might be silently sabotaging your carnivore diet? In my latest video, I reveal the hidden pitfalls that could be draining your energy and slowing your progress. Don't miss out. Click now to uncover the truth and take your diet to the next level.